Hi everyone, here we've got a ONEPLUS Nord N10 5G, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to find apps and notifications. Now let's tap on the special app access, and here we've got install unknown apps option, so let's enter. As you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are not allowed to install anything. If you want to change it, just tap on the one you want to change, for example Chrome, and tap on the switcher next to allow from the source. Let's get back, and as you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that from now on you're able to install something from the Chrome. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the Chrome again, tap on the switcher and get back, and as you can see, it is not allowed. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your ONEPLUS Nord N10 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.